Unlock incredible real estate opportunities by learning how to find foreclosures on Zillow. First, open your web browser and navigate directly to Zillow.com, which is the main gateway to countless property listings. In the prominent search bar, type in the specific city, state, or zip code where you want to search for properties, then press enter or click the search icon. Once on the search results page, locate and click the More Filters button, typically found near the top of the screen alongside other search criteria like price or beds. Within the Comprehensive Filters menu, scroll down until you find the Listing Type section here. You will see various property categories. Select the checkbox or option specifically labeled Foreclosure. After selecting Foreclosure, click the Apply Filters button at the bottom of the filter menu. Zillow will then refresh the results to display only foreclosed properties matching your location and other chosen criteria. Click on any of the listed foreclosures to view its detailed page. Pay close attention to the property description, disclosures, and any notes about the property being sold, as this is common for foreclosed homes. Now you're equipped to navigate Zillow for foreclosure deals. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe for more real estate tips, and share your success stories in the comments below. Happy house hunting!